Thank you everyone for coming to my live. So I don't know how to go back to the screencast live. I but maybe this is just for now. Thank you all. Thank you all. So I got 11 thumbs up already, and oh wow, I got 5 viewers. Who are they? Can you add some comments? I cannot see. Or you wanna see me? Okay, here. This is me with a green screen. Thank you all, 5 million people tuning into my live. Now only one. I got 1 million pips. Let me double check if I have this picture already. Maybe we're gonna be in trouble. Meat's Kitchen from Tres Maria Farm. Shin Kuna LP Mix Blab Dan Sub. Okay, I will go to your house later in a bit, guys. Thank you all. Thank you all. And let me double check if the one my background screen or my green screen is I didn't use it, otherwise I gonna be the reuse video. Where is this? No, not that one. Pick live. What is the pick live in here? Nothing. Oh, okay, so that's the one. Pick live. Which one? What else? Only in darkness you can see stars. No, not that one either. Patience the key to success. No. Screencast live. No. Pick live. No, not that one. So probably my background screen is okay. And then tomorrow I will just do that game thing in the app. Hi Helen, Mozambique. Thank you for watching the live. Yeah, I think we're new. We're new friends. Thank you, huh? Thank you so much. I uh I already subbed to you, Helen. I just do it. I just did it in the morning. I'm trying to look if the background screen that I have right now is already I used, because otherwise I gonna double post that one. So probably not yet. So I think I'm fine. Thank you, Helen. Thank you for coming to the live. I still have a lot of things to do because I need to change the what do you call that? The thumbnails for this. Because this is supposed to be what do you call this? Uh screencast live, playing games. but I make a poo boo. That's why I'm just gonna continue on this one because there are some 12 thumbs up already. So next time I'm just not gonna do anything for like the upcoming for the live because I don't know how to put it back. So probably this picture is okay. See like that one, that picture. I like the view. So I will change the thing on this one because uh let's see. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my live. Okay, let me see. I want to change the thumbnail for this because I'm gonna be misunderstood. Tomorrow only this one. I got 11 views. Just green screen. Green screen live face on. I'm gonna change it because that's not right. Okay, change. Okay, that one. That one better. How about the monetization? Okay, that's okay. So I just okay, Helen. Helen, I give you a standard moderator. Okay, an IP mix blog. Let me see if you're there. Let me see. Oh, I didn't subscribe yet. Okay, let me go to you. IP mix blog. Thank you for watching my live. Oh, Ella Bell is doing the live also. I will just go there with my support. Okay, who else is doing the live? Okay, let me go to Ella Bell. Kanina to na nagtingog dong. Di juga katug, ana ron. Balon nimo. Okay, let me go to my support so that I can go to Ella Bell. Ella Bell, my BFF. Thank you for watching, guys. Whoever is there. Let me see Ella Bell. Ella Bell. Is okay. Tamsak, tamsak, tamsak. Ay, naunsa naman ni. Where is Ella Bell? Oh, daming a lot of okay, I'm almost gonna turn this into a green screen because I've been on the cam for 13 minutes. So let me make highlights. Oh, not bad. I got 18. I got 18 views. Let me see. Hold on. It's a green screen live. Green screen live.